Filling Pro tobacco filling and injection machinery. OEM Machine started the production of tobacco filling machines under the Buffalo brand in 2015, combining the service, quality, and customer focus it provided with its experience in the sector from the past. Since 2020, it has been continuing its adventure with the Filling Pro brand. Our Filling Pro brand, which directs the sector in the Turkish market, has succeeded in opening up to the world in international markets, expanding its portfolio, and staying at the top of the field of tobacco filling machines. Filling Pro produces the best quality filling machines by using high standard European brand materials and continues the R&D process in this area. The Filling Pro brand has reached a certain reputation in the tobacco filling and injection sector with its high quality, which is taken as an example by its competitors, which is mentioned frequently and which is above the expected quality. As Filling Pro, we are a company that provides project-based machinery within OEM Machine. Tobacco filling machines constitute an important part of our portfolio. The staff's experience, loyalty, correct portfolio work, stability and professionalism, and sustainability are what make the Filling Pro brand what it is today. The products that have been made by our machines provide fabrication quality standards, high production capacity, electrical and pneumatic model machines, minimum dimension and maximum efficiency. All our products have CE certificates. Our machines also have ISO 9001, ISO 14001, and ISO 4501 quality certificates. Filling Pro continuously improves product quality by analyzing problems and blending up-to-date technologies in line with the online support and technical service it provides after sales. Filling Pro tobacco filling and injection machinery.